Now get back to science.
What are we gonna make today, guys?
Rainbow Skittles from sugar.
Yeah, rainbow Skittles from sugar.
All right, so we are going to make a Skittles rainbow. We are going to teach you guys how sugar dissolves in warm water. So to do this experiment, absolutely, you need Skittles, a plate, and warm water, and a couple willing helpers. So you guys, Charlotte, can you take the cup of Skittles and pour it on the plate? Take the whole cup and pour it right on the plate. All of it. Yep, put your goggles on. There you go. Pour it on. All right. Now both of you guys spread them all around. There you go.
Okay, what are we gonna do next?
You're not supposed to eat them yet. All right, so that's the design we got. So, what do you guys think's gonna happen?
They're gonna move and turn into a rainbow.
Gonna turn into a rainbow. So this is hot water now. You have to use very hot water, so be very careful. Make sure you get an adult to help you. So Colton, go ahead and grab the handle and slowly pour it in. All right, that's enough. Good job. Now we just watch and wait.
Why they're not moving?
It'll take some time. Yeah, look at that. Don't touch them, just look. See what's happening, guys?
Yeah. And then we gonna eat them?
No, we're not gonna eat these ones, but we're just gonna watch them. Look at that.
But I eat them.
Look at the cool pattern it's making. So what do you guys think's gonna happen?
They're gonna move. They're not moving.
Whoa.
They're not moving.
They're slowly moving. Do you see how all the lines are different? So it's gonna take a little bit of time, but I bet you they all come together in the middle.
I think we need to eat them.
Not yet. Should we take a break?
Yeah.
Intermission? What do you guys think of that cool color, huh?
Oh, squeeze them.
And it's all turning to rainbow.
Yeah, it's turning into a big rainbow. Remember, don't touch it though.
This one making it.
Mm-hmm.
This one.
And purple and pink.
That's
and
cool.
Red.
And the colors are kind of mixing together because you guys keep shaking the table. No more. All right, you guys can each have one more.
Oh, I got some.
Little side note, hide the candy away from the kids.
We know
That's cool, huh?
We know. You know what's going on. What's wrong with you?
What do you guys think?
I don't know. I'm making the egg shape. I think it's making purple and pink.
Is that cool or what?
I don't know. I think we can't eat them yet.
No, you don't want to eat these ones.
Why? Why?
So what do you guys think about the sugar dissolving in the warm water and making that very cool rainbow pattern?
Can we eat them?
No, you don't want to eat these Skittles, guys.
Why?
Is that a cool pattern?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you guys have fun?
Can we eat them?
Sure, why don't you guys each try eating one of them? Tell me what you think.
Yummy?
How is a Skittle with half of its sugar coating missing?
Good.
Good?
Good.
All right,
Yeah.
you guys, can you say goodbye and thanks for watching?